All right, here we go. All right, so is it recording?
Yep. Yeah.
All right, so here's what we're trying to figure out how to stay dry tomorrow during the cycling. So I have this big yellow bird outfit and my hat. So we're gonna try to be a seamstress, try to figure out a way to keep me dry.
Wow, looks nice.
Thank you, Carlos. Thank you for this.
You're very welcome.
I think this might work. I think this might work. I'm feeling good now.
Well, okay.
Good morning. It's 8 a.m. About 50 degrees outside, and I'm leaving Valencia. I spent 2 days here, and I had a wonderful time. Not only is Valencia a very cool city, especially for bicyclists, because of the massive bicycle infrastructure and roads and designated lanes for bicyclists, but also because I was hosted by a really wonderful man who I met through couch surfing, and we just so clicked philosophically and spiritually. His name is Carles, and he was an awesome guy. I really felt super comfortable in his home and in his presence. Shared very similar ideas, just an all-around really cool guy. Just want to say again, thank you for following, thank you for supporting, thank you for donating to the World Food Program and their mission to end world hunger. They're always doing incredibly important work. It's very apolitical. I know the UN has many arms to it, including the Security Council, and that those parts of the UN are questionable as far as like what they do in the world, what good they do in the world specifically. But just like any human being, nobody is purely evil, and likewise no institution is purely bad. And there are parts of people and parts of institutions that do good, do their best to do good. And in this case, the World Food Program is a part of the UN that I believe does 100% good in the world. They feed the hungry. That's basically it. They feed the needy. They feed people in war-torn countries, people who need food. I honestly don't see anything political or partisan about that. And I'm very proud to support that part of the United Nations, if not the entire United Nations. So please continue to donate. Thank you for watching me, supporting me again, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you have a blessed day, and enjoy every moment of it. Every day is a good day, and the best moment is the one right in front of you. Believe me. Love you. Hello, I'm maybe 45 minutes away. The weather's pretty bad, so it's slowing me down.
drawing from today's ride.